Oh yeah.
Guys, the poison's traveling from there to there. Bottoms up.
I'm healed.
Okay, Claire, what are we looking for?
I think it's something like an animal. It has wings and 2 feet. I'm guessing they're small.
Claire, what happened?
I wanted to see it.
We're heading to Robbie. Hi. We're heading to church. Serve Purpose 2021. Do for the vlog. Heading back to Moreno Valley to play some volleyball with some friends of mine. Gonna get some sick shots of that. Well, I've been stung by a bee. It nearly killed me. We have to go get the EpiPen because Alyssa got stung by a bee as well. What content, folks? What content? She's standing, folks. I think she's gonna be okay. Whoa, cinematic. Open the door. Whoa, it's so cinematic.
Oh yeah.
Guys, the poison's traveling from there to there. Bottoms up.
I'm healed.
All right, so got back from the park playing volleyball. Now I'm at my buddy Dean's house. What's the problem?
It's crooked.
It's crooked.
It's crooked. I don't know what to do. I actually don't know what to do. Do I?
In the meantime,
Like,
let's take a look at